Today I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom using the addiMoon. We have our scissors, our addiMoon. It comes in 4 different sizes, but the one that we are using today is the blue one that is 7 centimeters. We have our yarn and a bowl to contain our yarn while we are working on wrapping our pom-pom. First off, I want to make sure that I have 2 ends of my yarn available. This makes wrapping go twice as quickly. Then we are going to unlatch and open both rings of our addiMoon. Again, we're going to unlatch it and open them up. Next, we are going to take the side that has the bumps, and we're going to put those 2 sides together, like so. Next, I like to make a slip knot to make starting my winding a little bit easier. Like so. I'm going to slide it over one end, and we are going to start by winding 1/2 of our addiMoon. So all I'm going to do is keep winding my yarn, going across to one side and then winding it back across the other side until this center portion is full. You'll want to keep in mind as you're winding that you don't want to pull it too tight, otherwise you might lose this space here in the middle for your scissors to cut when you are all done winding. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So now that I'm back to the center, I am just going to start winding. I'm going to take it across here, and I'm going to start winding it around the second half. There we go. All right, and now that both sides look pretty symmetrical, we are going to close up our rings and relatch them, like so. I'm going to trim my yarn so that it's about the same length as what the rest of my pom-pom yarn is going to be. And then we are going to take our scissors, and you see this little hole here. We are going to insert them into that hole and start trimming apart those loops. There we go. Next, we are going to take a length of our yarn, slide it through the center of our addiMoon, and we are going to make a knot and pull it tight, like so. I like to, just to make sure that everything's secure, I like to go on the other side as well and make a second knot. we are. So I'm not going to trim these ends because I like to use those to attach it to my project later on. So we're going to leave those ones long. We are going to unlatch our rings and take them apart, take them off from our pom-pom. So right now our pom-pom looks a little, it doesn't look bad, but it's not nice and perfectly round like it could be. We've still got some long ends and such. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our scissors and I'm gonna start just shaping this pom-pom a little bit. And you're just going to keep going around until you are happy with the shape and how it's looking. It's not too bad. And there you have it. Perfect pom-pom for your next project.